Hi, I'm Holly, and congratulations on making it to day 2 of your mindfulness practice. So yesterday we talked a little bit about how mindfulness is a trait that we carry with us. And it's a state of awareness, of paying attention on purpose, in the present moment, without judgment. And when we carry this mindful trait with us, we'll start to notice a lot of benefits in our lives. So maybe we won't get as caught up in an anxious thought pattern. We strengthen our ability to focus our awareness and our attention where we want it to go. You might notice improvements in sleep and energy levels. The list will go on and on. And it's a really powerful skill to cultivate in your life. So find a space that feels safe and supported for you. You can practice seated or lying down, and we'll get started. So just start to settle into a comfortable position wherever you are. And begin to focus on where your body meets the ground and all points that are touching the floor. And you can keep your eyes open and just take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Good. Now gently rest your eyes and take a scan of your body from head to toe. And just start to notice the sensations present for you here. So not judging what's present, just noting it and, imagine just checking it off a list. Head, shoulders, all the way down to the toes. And then begin to observe your breath as it flows in and out of the body. Notice where in the body you feel the breath. And maintain your focus on that part of the body as the breath flows in and out. And now I want you to try to count to 10 breaths. And each time you notice that a thought has trickled in or an emotion has pulled you away, just notice it. And then begin again at 1. If you notice your attention drifting away, don't get frustrated, or judge it. That's just what minds do. Simply notice it and bring your awareness back to the breath as it flows in and out of the body. Each time the attention drifts away, simply note it and let the breath pull you back and begin again at one. You start to hear any sounds around you, just note it. And then begin again at one as you return your awareness to the breath as it flows in and out of the body. Now release any control over your mind. If the mind wants to wander, let it wander. If it's craving stillness, just let it be still. Release any desire to control and simply allow the mind to do whatever it chooses here. Now bring your awareness back to your body resting on the floor. And just as we began, again scan your body from head to toe. And simply notice if you feel any different from when we began. Begin to notice any sounds around you. And not judging or trying to change them, just notice it. As you slowly open your eyes and return to this space with a new sense of awareness. So before you move into whatever comes next for you, just take this moment to feel grateful and proud of yourself for caring for yourself in this profound way today. Each time your mind wanders and you redirect your awareness back to the breath, you strengthen your neural pathways to focus your attention on the breath. So each time the mind wanders, it's not a bad thing, it's just another opportunity to practice. So try to carry that with you through the rest of your day. So whether it's working on a project at the office or even while cooking dinner in the evening, try to maintain your focus on the breath. And each time it shifts, just bring it back. Thanks so much for carving out this time to care for yourself today, and I look forward to practicing with you again tomorrow for day 3.